Today I'm going to show you how to add light to anything in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar. Let's zoom the image. Create a selection around the Perspex glass to select it. So we can make two more selections in this glass. Make sure Add to Selection box is chosen at the top. And just continue making the selection for the two Perspex glass. Now press Ctrl J to cut the glass from the light pole. Select the background or subject layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new color lookup. From the drop-down, select the night from day. Let's go back to the adjustment layer icon, then create a new hue saturation. Decrease the saturation all the way to -20. And the lightness, -30. Now select the layer 1 or top layer. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 3 pixels. Then press OK. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to linear dodge. Now create a new layer. Go to Edit. And open your fill window. Under the contents, select black. Then press OK. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Render, and Lens Flare. Under the lens type, select 105 prime. I'll increase the brightness all the way to 125%. And you can also drag this lens flare to a position you want. And change the blending mode to color dodge. Now open your Move tool from the toolbar. And drag the lens flare, and place it on your light pole where the light is coming from. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Hue Saturation. Check the Colorize box. I'll make the hue 30. And the saturation is +50. Then press OK. Decrease the fill all the way to 75%. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new solid color. In the color picker, choose any color for light. So I'm gonna choose bright orange. Change the blending mode from normal to color dodge. Click the FX icon, and choose the blending options. Now hold the Alt key to split the black slider, and drag it to the right. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new exposure. Drag the exposure slider all the way to 1.11. And change the blending mode to color dodge. Let's go back to the FX icon, and blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider, and drag it to the right. Press OK once you're satisfied. Now select the 4 layers by holding down Shift key. Then go to Layer. And Group Layers. Double-click on this, and rename it Light Glow. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.